And welcome to this episode from Maker.io. In today's episode, we're going to look at how you can use MQTT with the Raspberry Pi. Now, the first step is that you're going to need to think which language you want to use. Now, you could use C or C++, but in this case, we're going to be using Python for several reasons. The first reason is that Python is a very nice and easy language to use, especially with the Pi. Reason number two is that Python has a very nice library system in terms of installation using pip. And code in Python is generally easier to do. So to install the MQTT client library into Python, you'll have to start by running this pip command. This video is associated with an article and is just a brief introduction to what the article is actually going to cover, so it's very important that you don't take this video out of context. So in the article, we will see how easy it is to actually use MQTT on the Raspberry Pi, with some very basic commands such as connect, disconnect, subscribe and unsubscribe. Well, that's all we have time for today in this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.